the same thing. I'm going to get with the sheep and turn him loose. Okay. Yeah, don't do it till I get with the sheep.
Okay.
Excuse me, let me get right here.
Each comes when called, so
Okay.
no line needed.
Okay, we'll see. A lot of times the lines for a dog, you get a feel for a dog when they first come in.
Okay.
And whether or not they're going to be aggressive with the sheep. And if I don't get that feel, then I put them on the line so I can sort of see whether they're going to be aggressive.
He won't be aggressive, he'll be amorous.
Let him go. Okay. Go for it, Hoover. Who? Go.
I said, I'm in stud dog mode.
What's his name again?
Hoover.
Oh. Hoover?
That was the problem. Like I said, he comes when called.
Let's go. Yay! Come on, Hoover. Okay. You walk in here and go. And it, exciting. That's okay. Go on. Go. What he's doing. There we go. Yay! That's good. He says, I can go. I can go. Good boy. And then you find somewhere to stand that you're safe with your right hand. They make it turn right. Take your knees. There's nothing wrong with this. We're just going to show you what we want, and then we'll turn it loose again.
Okay. Come on, Hoover.
Behind the sheep.
I told Terry I don't know what hurts worse. You should see the heels first.
Walk in behind me. Look for one of them to come back to the others. Good. Yeah.
It's supposed to be windy.
Boy. All right, go ahead and let it go. Get out of the way of the gate. That's where they're going to run to. Come on, Hoover. Let's go. Encourage him along. Go. Hello. Come on, Hoover. They're going to run for you, baby.
He gets away.
Oh, I don't think he's good boy. Yeah. Go. Ready, 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 go. Come on. I have to go, right? Let's go. You're doing a good job for you. Yes. Good boy. Yay.
Yeah. She came in and was telling me. Yeah, it's cold.
There he goes. Hey, not run your mother down.
Saw it coming.
Okay, just right there. Good. Good. Hoover, let's go. Here. Oh, Hoover. Good boy. One more time, Hoover.
Oh, go get the sheep. Sheep.
These dogs are mama's.
Ready, 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 ready. Come on. Ready, ready, let's go. Go. Come on.
Says, I see the dogs back there.
She's doing a great job.
He said, she's doing a good job. I don't need to.
You can't have any B-low.
Want to bet?
stand here and give her that. Watch. Somebody peeing on the fence.
Hey, Hoover, quit lifting your leg.
But there's so many good smells out here after more. Huh, buddy?
Hey, Hoover, we got somebody coming in to show you how to do this.
Yeah, you need a tutor. I hope it's not a female and he.
So do I.
She's 11, hasn't seen me for like 10 and a half years.
No, I was talking to her. I don't mean you're super bad. I don't think you need a whole lot. You can leave that.
Hoover's more interested in the border collie than the sheep.
Yeah.
He showed me. We should have quit when he was showing me what he did a few minutes ago. Never take them off the fence. That'll help you a job.
He says, I'm going to herd the border collie.
Come by, come by, come by, come by.
Okay, I think that you can just take her out. Yeah, I'm more interested in her. And that's
Who? Here.
okay. Go ahead and stop
Hoover.
her.
Who? Stop. Sit.
Okay, just wait 1 second. Yeah, walk out that way and let this dog have one more shot at it. Call her off. Okay, go ahead and grab it.
That'll do. Here. That'll do here.
Good.
Lie down.
We're gonna let him go one more
You're
time
right.
and give him one more chance because he showed me a little bit.
Here. That'll do. Come. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Here, that'll do. All of it is interesting. Well, yeah, and I mean, some of these dogs are, I've trained them, to not watch distractions as they used to be. See, you weren't looking, he went around.
Don't say a word. Okay, when they turn on, if we've had trouble with them like this, turn it on. Don't say a word because it breaks their concentration. Bring him in one more time and just get. Once she gets that dog stopped, now let's see what we get.
Who? Leave it. Focus on that. Hold on.
Okay, good. Thank you. Yeah, Bud, speak to him. Every time you speak to him, he looks back at you. That's his training. Now just point again and tell him to go. But once he starts looking at him, don't say anything. All right, now catch him. And we're going to pass him.
Who? Here.
Okay. If there was something that she wanted to do with the dog, we would spend a lot of time with no one else around, letting the dog work by himself, getting used to the fact that he can go because she's done competitive obedience with him. So she's trained him to look at her and to respond to her so much that it makes it hard sometimes getting their independence on the sheep. But even when he was walking with her, he was looking at the sheep. So I'm going to take that because that's something you could get him to work if she put some effort into it.
The puppy's a far better bet.
Because the puppies haven't had the obedience training. It's there in him, but you have to spend some time. You want me to get that?